can't even see. You gotta point it out the window. Open your window. It's red white. No, you gotta open your window.
I know. That's what I'll get my phone with.
That's right. Yeah, that's you gotta wait. You can see it?
Yeah. Fucking Lipa, you ain't doing your job.
The winds aren't that bad, bro. They said we were getting rain and snow. There's no winds. That's crazy. Winds are like, goes to like 10, 15 knots. It's snowing on Rhode Island, New York. Driving conditions suck in a Kia Rio. Do not buy a Kia Rio.
Kia Rio.
I'm drifting the whole way home
golf
on
cart.
LA. I'm idling and I'm drifting.
This whole ride home is
bad.
nothing but a
That's
drift.
how you know it's bad. And it's only 1 inch of snow. I'm not looking forward to this winter.
Fuck no. It's here, man. This is it.
It's here. This is the beginning of winter.
It's the end times. You
First
don't know how to drive.
Oh shit! I know how to drive, and I still can't drive in this car. It's just so. It's probably the lightest car made. I'm peeling out.
Oh my
I
god.
can't even drive.